Hello everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel. Today we are going to solve this very interesting Math Olympiad problem in which we have to find the value of x and we are given 8 raised to power x minus 2 raised to power x divided by 4 raised to power x minus 2 raised to power x equals to 17. Now if we look at the exponents on the left hand side, they are same but their bases are different. So first we will express all the bases in terms of 2. Therefore, 2 raised to power 3 bracket x minus 2 raised to power x divided by 2 raised to power 2 bracket x minus 2 raised to power x equals to 17. And further simplification, we get 2 raised to power 3x minus 2 raised to power x divided by 2 raised to power 2x minus 2 raised to power x equal to 17. So now let y equals to 2 raised to power x. Therefore, 2 raised to power 3x can be written as 2 raised to power x bracket cube equals to y cube, and similarly 2 raised to power 2x can be written as 2 raised to power x square equals to y square. So our equation will become y cube minus y divided by y square minus y equals to 17. Now take y as common from numerator and denominator. We get y times y square minus 1 divided by y times y minus 1 equals to 17. Also, we know a square minus b square can be written as a plus b times a minus b. Therefore, our equation can be written as y times y plus 1 times y minus 1 divided by y times y minus 1 equals to 17. So from here y to y will get cancelled out and y minus 1 to y minus 1, assuming y is not equals to 0 and y is not equals to 1. And the reason of these I will explain at the end. So we get y plus 1 equals to 17. So now subtract 1 from both sides, we get y plus 1 minus 1 equals to 17 minus 1. From here we get y equals to 17. Earlier we have assumed y equals to 2 raised to power x. So on substituting the value of y, we get 2 raised to power x equals to 17, which can be written as 2 raised to power 4. Since here the bases are same, their parts are also be equal. So x equals to 4. So now let's verify the solution by putting its value in the given equation. So 8 raised to power 4 minus 2 raised to power 4 divided by 4 raised to power 4 minus 2 raised to power 4, which is equal to 4096 minus 16 divided by 256 minus 16. On solving this we get 4080 divided by 240. On solving this we get 17, which is equal to the right hand side. Therefore x equals to 4 is the solution. Earlier we have assumed that y should not be equals to 0. So let's check whether it can be possible or not. And since we have assumed y equals to 2 raised to power x and this term is always positive, therefore y cannot be equals to 0. And our second assumption is y should not be equals to 1. So now assume y equals to 1, which can only be possible when x equals to 0. So now put this value of x into the equation. We get 8 raised to power 0 minus 2 raised to power 0 divided by 4 raised to power 0 minus 2 raised to power 0, which will give 1 minus 1 divided by 1 minus 1, which comes out to be 0 by 0, which is not defined. Therefore, no other solution exists. So the only solution is x equals to 4. Please comment below your method to solve this problem. And thank you for watching this video. See you in the next.